Bonjour, class, and welcome to day 3 of planning our trip to Paris. Please make sure that you have written in your planner our I can statement for the day. I can plan a trip to Paris. Today you will need your location worksheet and your Chromebooks. So make sure you have our I can statement written in your planner, and let's begin. So you are planning your trip to Paris, and today we'll be following the directions to create a Google map showing where you are going. And this will be due today at the end of class. So if you haven't finished getting your facts, that is something that you need. So click on the link here to find your facts, and then you can add them directly to your map. So day 3, create. There is a video for how to use maps if you're still stuck after this one, but I'm going to show you how. So today we're making a MyMaps. So we're going to use MyMaps by Google to create your own map of your trip of Paris. So you can title your map with your last name and your first name. And then for each location marker, you'll need to have one photo and then the 2 facts and full sentences in your own words. And these are from your worksheet, so don't copy and paste them from the web. These should be in your own words. So let's see what that looks like. So we're going to click to go to My Maps. And we're going to go ahead and get started. We want to create a new map. Okay, our map, we said we were going to title our last name, comma, first name. And then this is going to be my trip to Paris. Alrighty. So you can spend your time zooming in like this, or you can just search for something like, say, maybe I want to go to the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Okay, and then it has this right here, so I can click Add to Map. And now it has the Eiffel Tower already labeled for me, but I still need to add a picture and my 2 facts. So you click on the little camera, and then we're going to go to More, and then Google image search, and I'm just going to search for Eiffel Tower. And let's see, I want to add this picture. So I'm going to select it, and it will add it. And then you need to add your 2 facts and full sentences. And then we're going to press save. And we have our first place. And then maybe I want to go to Le Jardin du Luxembourg. So I can click on it and then press add to map. And then we'll have this. And again, I'm going to go to the photo. And this time I'm going to search for Luxembourg Gardens and find a picture that I want. I'm going to select it. And now I have my picture, and now I need to write my 2 facts in full sentences in my own words. Okay. And then I keep on going. So let's see. Oh, maybe I want to go to the catacombs. So I can just click on the thing that says catacombs. I'm going to add to map. I need to add my picture. I'm going to search the Paris catacombs, pick a picture, and then I'm going to write my facts. In my own words, and then I'm going to go ahead and save it. And you're going to do that with all of your different locations that you picked, and then you'll see it made blue markers for them. Another way you can do it is, let's go to the Centre Pompidou. So I could also just click here, add marker, and then put it by where I want to go. For example, maybe I want to go here, but then you have to write in all the information. So it's kind of easier to just go ahead and click on the spot and then add it to your map. Okay, so that's what you need to do for your very beginning base. There are 2 options if you want to get a 4, so let's look at that. So here's another video of how to use MyMaps if you're still stuck. So want to get a 4, so you know where you are going, but how are you going to get to each place? Decide where you are going to go when you first get to Paris, then map out the rest of your route. So you can create a route of your trip or a route by clicking the directions to here when you have a marker open. And then you can add destinations on your route. And then my recommendation would be to try and make the shortest route possible by visiting monuments that are near each other at the same time. So let's look at how we can do that. So we can add a layer, and then we can do the add directions. I'm going to zoom out a little so I can see all my places. So I'm going to add directions. And then I'm not going to do driving directions. I'm going to do walking directions. And then, so let's say I start at Saint-Jacques Tower, and then I want to go here for location B. And it shows me how long it would take me to get there and how to walk there. And then I'm going to add a location, and I think I want to go to the catacombs before I try and go to the Eiffel Tower. So I'm going to just click on my next marker. And now it's added. And then I'm going to do my last one. Oh. Go back one. I guess it didn't get our marker. Oh, here we go. Okay, add destination. Now we're at the catacombs. There we go. We're going to add one more destination. And we want to go to the Eiffel Tower. And then I have my directions on a different layer. So that is how you do that. Another option for getting a 4, this is an and or, so depending on how fast you are, you can do both, or one or the other, is to include 20 locations for your trip with pictures and facts for each. And then there is a video showing how you can turn in assignments on Google Classroom. If you can't figure it out from the video, you can try these steps instead. But the big thing is you're just going to add that attachment of your map. Good luck, and make sure you use your time wisely and your resources well.